Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I burned the back of my hand the other day when I was ironing, so that's what that is. This set is going to be so easy. I've already prepped my tips and you only need a few things. One pink polygel. I'm using the color Jelly Red from the polygel kit that I unboxed in the previous video. I'll have that linked in the cards. Then you need rhinestones. I'm using two different types of gemstones. Some files. I'm using the slip solution that came with this polygel. My Madam Glam base coat, which I've applied and cured. So that's it from me guys. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you enjoy the nails and enjoy the music. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the nails.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you is stuck in my head. I'm hoping to stay romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah. We can keep on going like we haven't seen the end. Living in a dream, but we're not pretending. I don't wanna wake up. No, I don't want it to stop. Never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah. This will never go wrong. This will never go wrong. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong.
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? Do you feel the way that I do? something different, something I don't wanna waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? Do.
Hold on. Hey. I'm jumping over waves for a minimal gaze. Running out the top, but they say it's a phase. Taking down costs like we're spending the day. Making up ground like we paving the way. We don't stop, running miles. Bar hop till the eye, yeah. Couple white claws and I'm up on the go. Bringing the fans by the end of the show. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. Don't stop living that lifestyle. Feeling this way, it's been a while. Why I'm always feeling like there's something on the go. Always in my head like I left it on the stove. You know one day gon' flash in a minute. The lights turned on and the next you gon' miss it. Rolling on through should be something so different. I'm bouncing on by, walk hop in those digits. Freestyle like I'm on top of a wave. Someone come alive, so get out my way. Grab another drink, so check out my sway. Send them on home in the middle of the day. Cooking so hot, that skin's on a glow. Skin's gon' block all the melanin show. I don't wanna hear while I'm up on the skid. No need to knock while he up in the clear. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. Yeehaw, partner.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
I met you when I could've sworn you were the one for me. The things I saw in you became my favorite things to see. Never argued, never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love, I couldn't see a single flaw. But then it came through, had to try to see a different view. Had to take a look at something new, but that was hard to do. I was only interested in you, I was paralyzed by love, I couldn't move. But now I'm on a new level, running at the brake pedal. I just made a promise to myself that I won't settle. Yeah, I really love you, gotta move on. Living life well because life ain't long. Yeah.
You could be my honeybee? Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. Yeah, the sweetest part.
Once you got your hands on my heart, felt you sting, now it's ripping me apart. Yeah, doesn't matter where you are, always out creeping around, raising my alarm. Yeah, girl, so hot, so cold. So baby, tell me when you gonna come home. Yeah, you be so like sunshine, here for the day till the nighttime. Yeah, like what you trying to do to me? Try once or twice, never got it through to me.
So the nails are done, everyone. I'm so in love with how they came out. They're so pretty, so classy and cute, and they're just perfect for everyday nails, and perfect if you want to add a little bit of bling and a little bit of color to your day. And they didn't even take that long to do. You can do it at home regardless of your skill level if you're a beginner. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.